What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So this weekend we're getting into the backup sensors on my 2009 Ram 1500. That year model doesn't have the backup camera, but it has the 4 sensors in the back bumper. So here's what I'm dealing with, and the symptoms are: when I put it in reverse, sometimes it works great. Sometimes when I put it in reverse, it beeps real long and it turns the system off according to the dash. It's got the little button that says for the park assist is what it's called on the 2009s. So it usually takes me to either kill the truck and restart it and it'll go away, or if I back up, if I pull out and I go somewhere and then I back up into my parking spot, it'll start working again. So it's kind of odd. I don't know if I have maybe a short or a moisture in one of the plugs or a bad plug. So we're gonna get out there today, pull them out of the back bumper. We'll go through the process of pulling them out of the bumper, and then we'll unplug them, check the plugs, clean them up a little bit, put them back in. I'll drive the truck, then we'll see what's going on with it. So I've already pulled a couple of them out, and they just snap in there. You see the little ears on them right there. One there, and one there. You can see they just clip in right here. Just get your little flat blade screwdriver and get you up in here. Get your flat blade screwdriver and pry down gentle. You don't want to snap them because you got to push them in, then you can take them out of the back bumper there. So I pulled these two out. This one is terrible. Let's see if I can get the camera up over here. That one's terrible, man. Look how filthy it is. Look how dirty it is up in there. So we'll go through the process on the other side of pulling them out. I'll show you. They're super simple, but I want to get these things unplugged and take a look inside because they're pretty filthy. So now that we're on the other side, I'm going to show you how to pop these out real quick. Just get your flat blade screwdriver here. Make sure you get in there good. On both sides, you want to kind of break it loose, right? This one's always a little more difficult. You got that bracing. But as you pry up, kind of wiggle it until it comes loose. Just don't get too aggressive. And then there you go, see? It'll work right out of there. So I don't know if y'all see all that dirt coming out of there, but that's ridiculous. So let me get these popped off. We'll get to the garage, we'll check them out, see if we can't clean them up a little bit, reinstall, and then I'll drive the truck and we'll see how it goes. I got them all out but one. I just wanted to show y'all the inside of these plugs don't look bad. There's no corrosion, there's no moisture. Go over here to these other two. This is the driver's side over here. I mean, the plugs look good. They look nice and healthy in there, no burn marks. The other one right here, they all look good like that one. So with these sensors, I want to show you the easiest way to get them out of the actual socket. So let me set y'all down here and I'm going to show you. So seeing as you can get to them, take your screwdriver, your flat blade screwdriver, push it in the front, just like that. You'll see this little tab depress right here. Just leave it in there and pull it out. You got to make sure you get underneath it. Like that. You get underneath it like that. Boom. Pull it right off. Simple as that. So we're going to get in this garage and check the inside of these plugs. Look, I'll show y'all this one. It looks just like the rest of them. It's in good shape. We're in the garage now. I got my light. I'm looking down in these. Man, they look good. Maybe a little dirty, but they look good. Probably the sensors are just bad, and that's why I'm having the issue. But I wanted to pull them off and see. I'll put them in. I'll put them back in. Drive the truck for a week. Put out a short video in the middle of the week. Let y'all know if it's still acting up or not. I mean, they all look good. I did mess around and crack one of them. You see it right there. I'm sure that'll probably be an issue. So I'm gonna get my air gun. I got my compressor here. I'm gonna blow them all out real good, wipe them off real good. We'll get back out there and install them. Make sure they insert all the way and click into them little clips. We'll put them back in the truck, fire it up, see what it does. We got them all snapped back in, cleaned them off. See them in there. They're nice and snug still. That's why you got to be careful with your little clips. You want them to look good. So look, man, I'm going off the basis of sometimes if you unplug something and then plug it back in, it works. Something about the connection or something like that. So we're gonna fire this thing up and see if it did anything. let's get this party started. There it is. So here we go. You hear that exhaust manifold bolt ticking away. So we have no park assist but light on. Here it is right here. That would be park assist off. That's on. So sometimes when I put it in reverse, that'll come on and it won't work. Other times it'll go right off and it'll work. So let's put this thing in reverse real quick. See, normally if it doesn't work, at that point it'll beep, beep. And then this button will go like that and it'll turn off. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna drive this thing for the week, or sometime during this week, I'll put a short video out in the middle of the week, let y'all know if it's still acting up, or you know, if the sensors are just bad. Who knows? I am going off the basis that sometimes if you do unplug things and plug them back in, they'll work, even for a little while. If I can get a month, I'm happy. If I can get a day, screw it, I'm happy. So with all that, it's your boy Auto Guy DIY. Keep living the dream, doing your thing. Like and subscribe. Always drop your boy a comment, and I'm gonna roll out.